Welcome to today's lesson. This is lesson number 3 in this topic of trigonometry. In the previous lesson, we learned how you can get tangent of acute angles from mathematical tables. And also, given the tangent of an acute angle, how you can go back and get the same angle. And today, we are going to move a step further and see how you can use those tangents, the ones we have gotten from the mathematical table, to solve triangles. By solving triangles, I mean to get angles and even to get sides. So you can be able to use any of that. So I'll give you 2 examples and then I'll give you further assignment that you're going to do and be able to solve the triangles. Our first example is this one here. We have a triangle here and we want to find the length of B. Find the length of B. Now, if you look at this triangle ABC, we have been given this angle here, 25 degrees. This is a right angle. As I said, trigonometry 1 deals only with right angles. AB is 18 centimeters. So we want to get the length of AC, side B. According to this angle 25, this side B will be opposite. And this side AB, which is side C, will be adjacent. Remember we had said that the tangent of an angle, so tan 25, tangent of this angle, is going to be given by opposite over adjacent. I hope you remember that from our first lesson, where we were looking at what tangent means. It's a ratio of opposite over adjacent. And in this case, our opposite is side B, the one we don't know, and our adjacent is 18. So we are saying tan 25 degrees is equals to B over 18. So what we do, you go to the tables. For now, you can go to the tables and look for this tangent. But wait a minute. Let's first of all cross multiply. So we will get B when you cross multiply. B is equals to 18 multiplied by tan 25 degrees. So I want you to go to the tables and get the tangent of 25. Get the tangent of 25. So in this case, it will be 18 multiplied by, just go to the tables and get tan 25. I think it will be 0.4663. You can check. Then you simply multiply that and you get an answer. You just multiply that and get an answer. You can make sure that your answer is in at least 4 significant figures. For our case, your answer should be around or about 8.393 when you multiply the two. So that is how you do it. You just need to remember the meaning of tangent. Tangent is a ratio of opposite over adjacent. Just that. And that is the relationship you're going to use to do even this question here. So I want you to find the length Q in this case. Given that this angle up here is 41 degrees. Now, you can use 41 directly. However, you know that this is 41 and the other angle here is 90. So you can also get this angle. It is possible. Because you know the sum angles of a triangle is 180. So you can, the remaining angle apart from this 90, if you do 180 minus 90, these two must add up to 90. So you can do 90 minus 41. 90 minus 41. And you will get 40 what? 49, eh? So this angle here is 49. It will be easier for you to do this, so that you multiply instead of dividing. You realize if you use 41, let's use 41 and then you understand what I mean. So if this is 41, this side here will be opposite, and this will be adjacent. So opposite tan 41 is equals to opposite, which is 22, over adjacent, which is q. When you cross multiply, you will get q times tan 41 is equals to 22. To get q, you divide by tan 41. Divide by tan 41. So you realize that now, when you go to the mathematical table and get tan 41, you will do 22 over tan 41. I don't know tan 41, you can get it correctly. This is not the correct answer. So you see now, for you, you will take a long time to divide this without a calculator. But when you use 49, it will be very close to this, because this side q now becomes opposite, and this 22 now becomes adjacent. So you will say tan 49 is equals to opposite, which is q, divided by adjacent, which is 22. Then you cross multiply, and you get q is equals to 22 times tan 49 degrees. It is easier to work out 22 times tan 49 than to work out 22 divided by tan 41. But the answers will be the same. They will exactly be the same. So work that out and see what you are going to get. Now, given that, you can be able to solve the triangle. Even if you are given this length, for example, if you are given this length as 23 centimeters, for example, and you're asked to get this angle, you can get it. Because you will say, if this angle is alpha, and this is 22, and this is 23, what will you say? You will just say tan alpha is equals to opposite, which is 22, divided by 23. So you work this out, and then the answer you will get, let's say you get 0.7942. I don't know what you get here, just divide, tell me what you get. Then if you get 0.7942, now you will go to the mathematical tables the way you did when you are getting cube root. Within the mathematical table of natural tangent, you get the angle which is either the same as 0.7942 or very close to that, and you get that angle. Let's say you will get something like 43.91. So you read from within the mathematical table. So that's how you work out, that's how you use tangent to solve triangles. So those are good examples. I will be giving you an assignment in our other forum, and in case you have a question, you can ask in the forum, or you can send me the question through this same site. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.